Hello, children. I hope you all are happy and strong today. Welcome to our special English hour. Here we will sing, dance, and listen to a lot of stories. यहाँ हम गाने गाएंगे, डांस करेंगे और बहुत सारी कहानियां सुनेंगे. Are you all ready to have some fun? Then please stand up and come a little closer to your TV. Please खड़े हो जाएं और अपने टीवी के जरा सा नजदीक आ जाएं. Now I request all of you to join me in this wonderful song.
Shake, 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 jump up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shake, 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 shake. Wave both your hands. Wave and wave and wave. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shake, 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 shake. Walk on your toes. Walk, walk, walk. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Shake, 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 shake. Roll, roll around. Roll and
We grow food grains in a farm. S O M E Some Can I please have some milk? R A N D F A T H E R Grandfather. 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 My grandfather tells me a lot of stories. Now I will read these words for you once again. But this time I want all of you to try and say these words with me. मैं इन शब्दों को एक और बार पढ़ूंगी, लेकिन इस बार मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इन शब्दों को मेरे साथ बोलने की कोशिश करें. Are you all ready? Our first word is farm. Children, can you try to say farm? क्या आप farm ये शब्द बोलने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं? Good. Our second word is some. Can you try to say some? Very good. Our next word is dogs. Can you try to say dogs? Very good. Our next word is with. Can you try to say with? Very good. Now our last word is grandfather. Children, can you try to say grandfather? क्या आप ग्रैंडफादर ये शब्द बोलने की कोशिश कर सकते हैं. Very well done. I hope all of you were able to repeat these words with me. मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सभी इन शब्दों को मेरे साथ दोहरा पाए. Children, today we are going to learn a fun poem. And in this poem, we will learn the different sounds that animals make. इस कविता में हम अलग अलग जानवरों के अलग अलग आवाजों के बारे में सीखेंगे. Are you all excited? Please open page number 40 of your My English textbook. If you have a textbook, please point your finger on the words with me. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक है तो अपनी उंगली को इस तरह मेरे साथ शब्दों पर रखें. But if you don't have a textbook, please don't worry. Listen to me carefully. अगर आपके पास टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है तो प्लीज चिंता ना करें. मुझे ध्यान से सुनिएगा. The name of our poem is My Grandfather Had a Farm. My grandfather had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. मेरे दादाजी के पास एक खेत हुआ करती थी. And on the farm, he had some dogs. E-I-E-I-O. और उस खेत में उनके पास कुछ कुत्ते हुआ करते. Time to sing this poem together. हमने ये कविता पढ़ भी ली है और समझ भी ली है. अब बारी है इसे साथ मिलकर गाने की. Are you all ready? My grandfather had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow wow here and a bow wow there, here a bow, there a bow, everywhere a bow wow. My grandfather had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a moo moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. My grandfather had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some hens, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. My grandfather had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. My grandfather had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. I hope you all had fun singing this poem with me. Now that we have learned a wonderful poem, it is time to learn some new words. अब हम कुछ नए शब्द सीखेंगे. Now, these words start from the letters G, J, K and Q. ये सारे शब्द 4 अक्षरों से शुरू होते हैं. G, J, K और Q. Please open page number 41 of your My English textbook. This is gold. ये gold है. Now, garden, gate, girl, gold, all of these words start with the letter G. ये सारे शब्द G इस अक्षर से शुरू होते हैं. Now let us look at some more pictures. Can you tell me what is this? This is a jeep. Who is this? This is a joker. Now, what do you think is this? This is a jar. And what is this? This is a jacket. Jeep, joker, jar, jacket. All these words start with the letter J. ये सारे शब्द J इस अक्षर से शुरू होते हैं. Now, let us look at some more pictures. Can you tell me which animal is this? This is a kangaroo. What is this? This is a key. What is this? This is a kite. Can you tell me which animal is this? This is a kitten. Now, who is this? This is a king. Now, kangaroo, key, kite, kitten, king, all these words start with the letter K. ये सारे शब्द K इस अक्षर से शुरू होते हैं. Now, can you tell me who is this? This is a queen. Can you tell me what is this? We see a lot of people standing here. यहाँ हमें बहुत सारे लोग खड़े हुए नजर आ रहे हैं. This is a... Now, I have 4 letters with me. मेरे हाथ में 4 अलग-अलग अक्षर हैं. Now, I will tell you all a word. मैं आप सभी को एक शब्द बताऊंगी. You have to guess which letter does the word start from. आप सभी को मिलकर ये पहचानना है कि वो शब्द कौन से अक्षर से शुरू होता है. Are you all ready? The first 2 letters are G and J. Great. So the first word is can you guess which letter does the word gate start from? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि गेट ये शब्द कौन से अक्षर से शुरू होता है? Yes, gate starts from G. Very good, Ballu. Now, the next word. Can you all tell me which letter does joker start from? क्या आप बता सकते हैं कि जोकर ये शब्द कौन से अक्षर से शुरू होता है? Yes, very good. Joker starts from the letter J. Now let's move to our next word. Tell me, girl starts with which letter? Girl ये शब्द कौन से अक्षर से शुरू होता है बल्लू? Very good. Girl starts with the letter G. Now our next word. Can you tell me which letter does the word Jeep start with? Very good. Does the word question start with? Perfect. Question starts with the letter Q. Now, this question is for all of us. This is our last word. ये हमारा आखिरी शब्द है. Can you tell me which letter does the word king start from? बच्चों, क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं कि king ये शब्द कौन से अक्षर से शुरू होता है? Very well done. King starts with the letter K. Today, we learned a lot of new words that start with all these 4 letters. Ballu, thanks a lot for coming today. Bye. Now, I want all of you to share these sounds with your friends and family. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप सभी इन 3 आवाजों के बारे में अपने परिवार और दोस्तों को भी बताएं. I will see you all in the next session. Until then, stay home and take care. Bye bye.